Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. Do you know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter? You should just go to settings. Here on this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Twitter. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop. We click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.